Congruent. Equal, parentheses in geometry, equal length corresponding sides and equal corresponding angles, end parentheses. Equality is the idea that two or more things are the same in value. In math, we start with the basics, which are very concrete and understandable, like 3 equals 3. In geometry, the idea of equality is expanded to congruence. If we say that two shapes are congruent, it is only a basic understanding to say the two shapes are equal. We need to look further and define multiple aspects of equality. Congruent triangles have the same length corresponding sides and the same measure corresponding angles. Congruency defines multiple aspects of equality to establish that two shapes are the same. The word similar in geometry means proportional. Proportional triangles are the same shape, but of a different size related by a zoom factor or scale factor. A scale model of a car is a proportional model, shrunk from the original by a consistent scale factor. A dilation is an expansion or a shrinking of a shape by a zoom factor or scale factor. The word dilation describes what we do to a shape to enlarge it or shrink it. Similarity compares two shapes and says they are proportional. Congruency means equal, but even more, multiple aspects of equality. Antonyms: similar. Related words: equality, equal, similar, zoom factor, scale factor, dilation.